In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on DocHub. If you've ever wanted to mark up a PDF, circle key points, or sketch quick ideas right on your document, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear, comfortable way. Start by opening DocHub in your browser and loading the document you want to work on. If your file isn't there yet, click New, then Upload, and select your PDF or document from your computer. Once it opens in the editor, give it a second to fully load. It helps to set your zoom level so the area you plan to draw on fills the screen, which makes your strokes more precise. Next, head to the top toolbar and choose the Draw tool, usually represented by a pencil icon. When you select it, your cursor will change to indicate you're in drawing mode. If you ever lose track, look back to the toolbar to confirm the pencil is active. Before you start sketching, take a moment to choose your drawing options. Pick a pen thickness that matches your purpose. Thinner lines for underlining or annotations, thicker lines for arrows or diagrams. Select a color that stands out against the page, and if available, adjust opacity so your marks don't overwhelm the text underneath. A quick test scribble in a margin can help you confirm the look you want. Now draw directly on the document. Click and hold the mouse, or use a stylus if you have a touchscreen to create freehand lines. Release to complete each stroke. Keep your lines deliberate and use shorter strokes for better control, especially around small text. If you make a mistake, switch to the eraser to remove specific marks, or use undo to step back and redo to move forward again. Zooming in for fine details can make a big difference in accuracy. Once a stroke is placed, drawings are generally fixed in position, so think in terms of multiple, separate strokes rather than one long line. This gives you more flexibility to erase or tweak small sections without redoing everything. If a line doesn't land where you need it, a quick undo and redraw is usually faster than trying to move it. When you're happy with the result, click Done or Save to commit your changes. Look for a saved confirmation, then download the updated PDF to your device. Consider saving with a new file name so you keep an original copy and your marked up version side by side. That's all there is to it. Simple, clean, and ready to share or print.